Thank you very much, my dear. Nice to meet you.
I got most of it. Oh yeah. It's Marcus Mafia. Now we in Mutare, you know what I'm saying? Coming from Diamond FM with Queen Mukoko, 10 out of 10. Take. Aywa, anazana December check. COCO Master, Ammara Jigondo. Yes, you know what I'm saying? The infamous Chenge, TVF, you know what I'm saying? And the love return from Mutare, you know what I'm saying? We're here in Mutare, like showing love and support to Queen Mukoko right here. Taiwan the Thai in the building. Yo, what's up, sir? Queen Mukoko coming from just flexing off.
Little more brown in the building.
And it's on the beat.
Color contrast right now going on.
I think she's the only color chick who can play Mbira.
Exactly. Right?
No, I'm not. Chingeto can play Mbira.
Okay, so you're the only color sisters who can play.
Okay, I don't know. Okay, I don't know.
The odds are now.
I don't know.
The odds are now. So anyway, we're in Mutare, Golden Pickup. Yeah, so catch us live at Golden Pickup.
Okay, shout out to you.
If you want me to play, I can hit it now. Right now?
COCO Master's lying. It does not know how to play.
No, I know how to play Mbira and those washers, you know.
This is not driving or alcohol, huh?
Dude,
this is actually keys.
I can play.
Do you have the keys?
Yeah, I got the keys.
We're not talking about the 2 keys. Yeah, now.
Alright guys, we're gonna back to you live. This is 10. 10 Temos. Just coming from the radio. This guy.
Diamond FM, what's good? How you doing? Chingy.
Alright guys, we're gonna
Simba.
back later. Good.